So behind us is an old W-cast tram which we got from Yarra Trams, and it's home base for the small group of students that come out of their normal classes. The tram is a very visible symbol of the hands-on learning program.
I had no idea how much it would transform the lives of some really amazing students. We needed a space where students could engage. We set about setting that up basically with kids who really became very passionate about working on, their tram. Hands-on learning is a program in Victorian schools to re-engage students who, for whatever reason, may not be coming to school. Yeah, really amazing young people that were not coming to school, were feeling pretty lonely, and then the tram arrived and faces just lit up. It's about making people connect to something that's really meaningful, and I would never, in my wildest dreams, have thought it would, be such a meaningful project. I get emotional talking about it because it really has. It's really, really worked.